I'm going to do a quick video of my task management plugin. So this is the plugin that I created so that Claude Code can manage my daily tasks. I created this plugin for a few reasons. I really was frustrated with Trello. One of my primary concerns was I tend to take notes in the context of my tasks. And so I had a bunch of notes locked into Trello, and I really also wanted to push the boundaries on what Claude could help with and really just see what was possible. And so every morning I use a combination of Obsidian, which is what you see on the left, and a terminal window, which is what you see on the right. I've already launched Claude inside my tasks folder, and I'm just going to go ahead and type my today command, and we can see what's going to happen. Today is actually Sunday, December 28th. So what we're looking at here is my yesterday's today list. And you're going to see that this today command is going to update that. So the first thing my today command is doing is it's going to my Trello board and it's looking to see if anybody on my team has added new cards to my Trello board. It didn't find anything new, so it reports that back. This step is actually unique to me. So this is not built into the task management system. This is something I've customized, whereas for the task management plugin, I know not everybody is going to be using Trello. And so I pulled that out. But you can see the next thing that it does is it calls the task management plugin's own today command. And the first thing it's going to try to do is generate these files. It's asking permission. I'm going to go ahead and say yes. And you can see immediately what happened here is my today list updated. So you can see my overdue list shrank. I am a little bit behind on a Just Now Possible episode. I actually thought that I fixed this to be, interesting. So this is a little bit of a bug. It's not supposed to pull in any ideas, but because there's a due date, it did include it. So I'll have to fix that. But you can see it's created my nice to-do list for today. I'm actually not going to do all of these things today. It's Sunday, but they are what are due today. And that's partly because each of these projects, I just need to go through them and update the actual due date. Let's see what else. So you can see the today command's not done. What it's looking for is my task management config file. This is going to tell it whether or not my research plugin is installed. It's going to see that it is. So you can see it says research system integration is enabled. And it's going to go ahead and use that plugin to call the generate research digest today command. And then what that's going to do, you can see it right now on my today list. I've got a couple overdue tasks. I've got the things that are due today. And then I like to add this ideas section. These are things that are in progress. So for me, an idea is something that doesn't have a due date, whereas a task is something that does have a due date. Just Now Possible is an always ongoing project for me because that's an ongoing podcast. Ghost is my blog platform that I recently moved to. I have some outstanding tasks to complete that, but they're not time sensitive. This discovery habits assessment is another project that I'm working on. And you can see over here on the right, it's continuing to work away. What it's doing is it's looking for my research digest. It's creating my research digest. This is part of my research plugin, which I will do a different video about that in just a second. But this is the high-level overview. Basically, what my today command is doing is it's just searching through all of my tasks. It's looking for what's due today, and it's giving me a really concise list. I can click on any one of these, and it's going to tell me I have all the notes for that task right here. When it's due, I can add to it. And like I said, part of the reason why I chose to do this is I like to keep my task notes on the task file itself. And so now all of this lives right in my local files. It's not locked into Trello anymore. You can see the output of my today command. It always ends with this nice summary. It's telling me it didn't generate any research summaries because there were no papers. It did build my digest. It tells me where it is. It built my research today. That's part of that research plugin. It's telling me there's no new Trello cards, what files it generated. And then this is the part that I really love about this plugin is, like, let's say I'm looking through my to-do list and I'm looking for, I know I'm hosting some webinars in January, but I can't really remember what I called the task file. Maybe I need to add a to-do to it. I can just be like, Claude, do I have a task for webinars in January. I don't have to put any energy myself into thinking about what I might have called it, where it lives. It's just going to go off and it's going to search and figure it out. And you can see it's starting with the obvious search for webinar. It did find files. It found 13 of them. What I love is I don't have to look through those 13 files. It's just going to look. It's seeing that I have a few related to January. This January webinar bonuses, the promote January events. And let's see what it comes back with. It's going to give me a nice summary. Yes, you have several webinar related tasks for January. One is due tomorrow. So that's already, I'm like, great. I already have a task due tomorrow. It's going to show up on my list. I don't have to worry about it anymore. And then same with, you can see it's summarizing. I have a promotion card and its promotion schedule. And then this one is a webinar I'm doing with a company. So what's really nice is I don't have to remember what I named things. I don't have to go search for things. I don't have to look through search results. Claude is really smart and can just do that on its own. The other thing that I really like doing is, as I work, I often think about things that I need to do. So for example, I can just go over here and say new task, call window cleaners. I can say due today. If I want to add notes to that task, I can type them here. This is a really simple task, so I'm not going to add anything to it. I'm just going to hit enter. That's pretty lazy, right? Like much easier than going to Trello, starting a new card, selecting a date. And you can see here that Claude goes ahead and creates the file. It wrote 8 lines. It set the due date appropriately. It added a home tag. And then you can see the really smart thing that it just did is it actually added it to my today for me because I said it was due today, and you can see it's here. That is actually a duplicate task. I did that for demo purposes. So I'm going to just tell it to go ahead and delete that task. And I'm pretty comfortable in the terminal, so I find this a lot faster than like opening a web page, going to my Trello board, archiving a task, then having to delete it. This is a remove, so I'm going to be really careful and make sure that Claude is actually removing the right thing. It is removing the file it just created. So I'm going to go ahead and say yes. And I keep this task window here on the right open all day long. So again, whenever I think about a task, to add a task, when I need to look up details from a task, I really rely on Claude to search for it and to really surface the right tasks at the right time. And that's really the key to this plugin. It's not about Claude is telling me what tasks to do. I'm creating all these task files myself. It's Claude is surfacing the right tasks at the right time. Another one of my favorite things I can say is like, what are all my tasks related to the interview coach? I included a screenshot of this in the blog post. And it's going to go and it's going to search for anything and everything related to the interview coach. And it's going to give me a nice summary. And what I like about this is like if I decide to spend a day or two improving the interview coach, I don't have to search through my to-do list. I don't have to search through all my task files. Claude's just going to go find it. And you can see that Claude is searching not just file names, but it's also going to search the content of all of my tasks. And you can see here it found some ideas. So again, not just I asked for tasks, but it's smart enough to do ideas and tasks. And you can see it shows up here in my 2026 planning card. It shows up in my Discovery Habit Assessments card. And so that's really nice. I don't have to put a lot of effort into finding things. I just rely on Claude as my researcher. All right, if you're interested in this task management plugin, there is a link in the description of both in the blog post if you're watching this video there, or on YouTube in the description to that public repo.